here see, so if I want to get all the data, I can edit the code here. Here I have used the distinct keyword along with select, so that only the data which is from country column from this table we are getting this. Now if I want to get all the data from this customers table, all the data, so that moment I need to use here, simply you write the star here, star, okay, and star. That moment if I use star means all the data, all the columns, all the rows. So that moment don't specify particular column here. This is the syntax, select star from which table, customers table. Now if you run this code, you will get the total data here, okay. So I have amended this code, okay. So this is the total, how many columns I told here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 columns with all the 91 records, because I have used the star here, okay. So now if I want to get only this address only, one is that only name, contact name, and postal code, 2 columns of data I want to get, contact name and the postal code. So I need to first of all remove this star here. First of all, here after select keyword, okay, contact name, I need to write the columns name here, contact name as per this column, contact name, comma, okay. Next I want to get postal code, you write the postal code here, postal code. So I want to get 2 columns of data. C is capital, don't forget that, as it is you need to give. So now you, from which table, customers table. If I run this code, let us see, only I am getting contact name and postal code, 2 columns of data I am getting here. So if I do any mistake, means postal in this place small c, okay, if I have used it, if I run this command, still we are getting postal code, okay, because postal 12209, that is 122005021, everything 05023, city, okay. Okay, here the country, only country. Now what happened, what I am getting here, out of this I want to get only 2 values, that is what, contact name and postal code. So remove this star and write the, so see, it is not case sensitive, contact name, comma, and postal code, okay, both are not case sensitive, okay. Just it is contact name like this, you can write this all small numbers. This is what you can, it is not case sensitive. Case sensitive means anything you can write. So you are getting contact name and postal code, okay, for 91 records. Now you want to get the serial number, that is serial number what, this is customer ID. If you want to get the customer ID, you add the customer ID as a column, customer ID, and comma is compulsory for every column, customer ID, contact name, postal code. Now run this. Now you are getting one more column here, customer ID, This is customer ID, contact name, postal code. The same thing this is the database. Okay, where is this database? Understand? So now next what is the select exam without distinct. So that is what without distinct keyword. So you will get to only the country field from these customers. Next, count distinct. So count distincts, this will be used for what? To count what? This distinct, normally I told you the distinct keyword will be used to get the distinct, means different values, unique values. So this keyword distinct, we can use this distinct keyword in a function called count. Count is a function. So within this function we can use this distinct keyword. Let us see. In that moment, if I use the distinct keyword in count function, it will return the number of different countries. Number of different countries. How many different countries it will count. So syntax is that for this select distinct. Okay, function means I told you that function and method they will having what? They will have the brackets. It is a function always have parenthesis. So count is a function. Within this we can use distinct keyword. So distinct means different countries names. If I want different country name, unique name, so I need to use the column here, country from table. So then it will count. So let us check the code for this. The count distinct column name is not supported in Microsoft Access database. So this syntax so this count distinct this command, this syntax will not be supported in Microsoft Access database. Okay, so let us see. If select count star means as distinct count countries. This is one statement. Let us see. This is MS Access, Microsoft Access work practice here from select distinct country from customers. This is for Microsoft Access. Okay, so here select all the different values from the country column in the customers table. For this we need to use first select, first here select. Next we need to get different values from the country column, different values. Here I need to use distinct, one more keyword here, distinct. Okay, I don't want to get count, just I want to get all the different values from country column. Country is a column from this table. Okay, so I will use distinct keyword along with select. Now run, submit. Correct answer. That is this exercise we have done. Okay, we will try to understand this work around means work practice for MS Access. Okay, now this is enough. Next class I will explain these commands which are related with, they are being used in MS Access. So next we will try to understand where, order by, and, or, not, insert, introduction, update, delete, update the record, delete the record. Okay, insert into, insert the record. Okay, and count some functions, average, like, these are functions, wildcards, in between. Okay, aliases, joins. inner join, left join, right join, full